Let's learn English through short conversations about different healthy habits. With vocabulary and listening questions. Fresh air break.
Wow, look at the sky. It's so blue today.
I know. That's why I told you to leave your computer.
Gosh, I was in the middle of a game.
You've been staring at the screen for 5 hours.
4.5, that's not too bad.
Oh, please, your eyes were turning into squares.
Haha, maybe, but it was a fun level.
Fresh air is fun too, you know?
True, this feels nice. My brain is waking up.
Exactly, air, trees, sun, so much better than your keyboard.
Alright, I'll come out more.
Good, let's walk for 30 minutes.
30, can we do 10, and then bubble tea?
Deal, but only if you leave your phone in your pocket.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Fresh air. Clean air from outside. Screen. The part of a computer or phone you look at. Walk. To move with your feet, not using a car or bike. Your listening question is: why does the female friend want her friend to go outside? Answer: because he was using the computer too much. Healthy dinner.
Honey, I'm cooking dinner now. Tonight, we eat healthy, less oil, more vegetables.
Oh no, not the green dinner again.
Haha, yes, your favorite broccoli and boiled chicken.
Gosh, can't we add a little oil? Just a tiny splash.
Nope, you said your pants feel tight, remember.
I didn't say that out loud.
Too late. I heard it. Time for healthy habits.
All right. What else are we eating?
Brown rice, carrots, and cucumber salad.
Can I at least have some sauce?
Lemon juice. Very tasty. Very healthy.
You're lucky I love you more than I love fried food.
Exactly. Now set the table, my dear Mrs. Healthy.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Oil. A liquid used in cooking, often from plants. Boiled. Cooked in hot water. Salad. Cold vegetables mixed together, often with dressing. Your listening question is: what kind of dinner is the husband making? Answer: a healthy dinner with less oil and more vegetables. Sleep better.
Are you still on your phone? It's midnight.
Just one more video. It's about cats dancing.
Gosh, cats can wait. You need sleep.
You'll sleep soon, I promise.
You said that yesterday. You looked like a zombie this morning.
Haha, I did yawn every 2 minutes.
Exactly. You need 8 hours. Sleep is magic.
But I have so many things to watch.
Sleep first. You can always watch them tomorrow with fresh eyes and brain.
Okay, no more cats tonight.
Good. Now close your eyes and dream of vegetables.
Yeah, I want to dream of pizza.
As long as you're sleeping, I'm happy.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Yawn. To open one's mouth wide and inhale deeply. Zombie. A scary, tired person who looks like they haven't slept. Promise. To say you will do something for sure. Your listening question is: how many hours of sleep does the older sister say is good? Answer: 8 hours. A workout plan.
Bro, summer is coming. We need hot abs.
Gosh, yes. My belly looks like a pillow.
Haha, time for serious training. No more lazy days.
What's the plan? Sit-ups, planks, crunches.
All of that, every day. No excuses.
What about pizza day?
Nope, goodbye pizza, hello protein.
That hurts. But okay, let's do it.
We start with 20 sit-ups today.
Only 20, easy.
Then 30 tomorrow.
Wait, hold on. What?
You said it was easy, remember?
My abs are crying already.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Ups. Short for abdominal muscles, the muscles in your stomach. Plank. An exercise where you hold your body in a straight line. Sit up. An exercise where you lie down and sit up to work your stomach. Your listening question is: how many sit-ups will they start with today? Answer: they will start with 20 sit-ups. Morning yoga.
Good morning, sweetie. Ready for yoga?
Can I just stretch in bed?
Gosh, no. The sun is up and calling us.
The sun can wait 5 minutes.
Haha, no it can't. Come on, yoga is good for your body and your mind.
I know, but I'm so sleepy.
10 minutes of yoga will wake you up better than coffee.
Are you sure? Coffee is pretty strong.
Exactly why we need both, yoga first, coffee after.
Fine, but if I fall asleep doing the pose, it's your fault.
Deal, let's do this together. Say it with me. Darling, inhale, exhale.
Okay, let me grab my mat and try not to fall over.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Yoga. A kind of exercise that helps your body and mind. Stretch. To move your body to make it less tight or stiff. Pose. A body position in yoga or other exercises. Your listening question is: what does the ant say is better than coffee in the morning? Answer: 10 minutes of yoga. Buying organic food.
Okay, honey, let's start with the vegetables.
Wait, darling, why are these tomatoes more expensive?
Because they're organic.
Gosh, do they sing and dance or something?
Haha, no, but they don't have chemicals. That's why they're better.
I see. Healthy tomatoes, but our wallet is not happy.
Health first, darling, money later.
Fine. What else? Organic bananas too.
Yes, and don't forget organic eggs, honey.
Can you get me some organic air?
Very funny. Now be a good husband and put the spinach in the cart.
All right. But next time, I'm choosing the chips aisle.
Only if they're organic chips, darling.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Organic. Grown without chemicals. Cart. A basket on wheels used in a store. Chemicals. Man-made substances used in food or farming. Your listening question is: what kind of food do they want to buy? Answer: they want to buy organic food. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.